back to Unicorn Friends, and today I'm back with another unboxing video. And do you know what it is? It's a surprise! Yay! Wow! It's an L.O.L glitterized factory! Can you believe it, guys? You can customize your own doll in this. So I'm pretty sure you're wondering how I got this in coronavirus. Well, this toy has been with me for the longest. Actually, my dad got this for me when he was going on a trip, his last trip. So, I'm so excited to unbox this. Yay! So let's unbox it. What do we have inside? So we have 5 face masks, some fuzz containers for, the fuzz, and some glitter containers, 3 brushes, and a mannequin. And fun fact, this is the first mannequin in L.O.L Surprise. And by the way, L.O.L Surprise DIY glitter factory. So if you want to buy this, you can buy it by this name. We also have an exclusive doll. So excited. And we also have a pink glue bottle. And the whole, stand to do everything on. Now, the moment of truth. Let's open it. Whoa, guys, this is awesome. Let's take this out. So we got over here a ball, which I love to spin, some fuzz containers and some glitter containers. Oh my gosh. We have our very own stand that actually spins from the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see or not. And then I'll just put that box down, And then I think this includes our mannequin and doll. Cool. And our base that spins actually, that I told you. Wow. Now guys, let me go and open this up because I don't think I can open this up myself because it's using scissors and scissors are sharp, sharp, sharp. So I'll just have to open it. So we have dark pink glitter and blue glitter, golden glitter, and black glitter. And you can also spin it like I just did. Now we have this mystery box. So I wanted you guys to open this with me because it's so mysterious. So yeah, let's open it. It's pink, it's kind of orange, which I like. And there's some glue in it. Oh, we have a blue bottle. Cool. And guys, pro tip. So this one, the blue one, the teal one, is used for glitter. This has a face mask, so I'm pretty sure there's a face mask because a doll's wearing it. There's a blue one, a pink one, and an orange one, an indigo one, and a purple one. Cute. I'm just gonna move everything aside. Guys, it's the oh my god, it's the mannequin. It's so shiny. Wow, it's the mannequin. So I'm just gonna lay you down. It is the doll. Wow, it has so cool braided hair. It's all white. so beautiful. She's so pretty. Now I have these same mannequins. Sorry, not mannequins. Oh, there's like this cap. I don't know from where it came, but it's like a pink jacket, a white jacket, and it's for this doll over here. So I'm just gonna lay our jacket here. And we're almost getting to the end. We have the brushes. We have this pink one. The bottom is pink. So I'm pretty sure you can stand it over there. We have this one. Must be one more. Come on out. And so this one is like the fluffy one, the black one. Cool. Yay, yay, yay. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. What's this? What is this? Oh, this is another brush. Surprisingly. And we got, oh, it's a pink. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, it's a pink skirt. It's so cute. It's like for the jacket. Oh, what's this? I wonder. It's the bottle, guys. It says pop. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says pop. And yeah, it's like a Coke bottle. It's like a soda design. And we have her headband. Now, we always need a headband when we're wearing a skirt. Whoa, this looks cool. And we got, oh, so this is another skirt. It's kind of like a jean skirt. So, yeah. It's like a jean skirt. So, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Everything's so cool. And now we got, oh, these are so tiny. Look at these tiny heels. This is like a boot. Tiny boots. Oh my gosh, come out. Seriously? Can I hang in there? Oh my. This is crazy. We have 2 white boots. And now we're gonna open the lace blind bag. So let's see what we have. Okay, so we have another top. I think it's for the jean skirt, which is cute. Finally, yeah, this L.O.L. I don't know what it is. It's like L.O.L. sticker, kind of, I don't know. Ooh, and we have the instructions. So let's put that over here. And now let me decorate all of the stuff on over here. So now it's time to glitterize my top, the fun part. Take my ball, open it in here, and take the glue. So I'm gonna do glitter, that's why I'm taking the peel glue. So glittery. Now I'm gonna just open them, and this is so, oh my gosh, I have to open this. Wow, so I'm gonna put this ball down because it's too glittery. I'll put this too. My doll looks so pretty. Okay, so let's take out her face mask and put it over there. And oh wow, this looks so cute. Ooh, pretty. You're gonna go to a party, girl. Oh wait, coronavirus. We can't actually go anywhere. And now I'm gonna glitterize your clothes, maybe pink, fuzz, maybe blue, and we're gonna hang out. Wow, she looks so pretty, all glittery, glittery. It's not that good, but that's really good for my first try. And right after this video, I'm just gonna make another outfit, and I can just wash this in hot water, and bam, I can create a new doll. This is gonna be so much